guys, today is day 3 here at Marwa's place. My name is Steven. I come from Uptime Interiors. YouTube is Casin Sound. We have come with my partners for one mission. We want to do curtains for this villa you are seeing on this side. And before we proceed, let them introduce themselves.
I'm Timothy, guys. Tim is Travels on YouTube. Make sure you subscribe to my channel.
I'm Steven. YouTube name Steven Kim. I am the CEO or founder of Runmat Interior Designs. I normally do a lot of interior, like almost everything. We are here to decorate I am Marwa's house. We'll keep you posted. Please subscribe to my channel as well. Thank you.
Hello guys, hello family, welcome to the Marwa Villa. You can find a top mason here. I'm the top mason, it's_Elia. Don't forget to subscribe. You can see there's so many subscribers. It's some YouTubers here. Everyone is a YouTuber. Don't forget to subscribe. Everyone here around of us. Don't forget to subscribe to your YouTube channel. Tim is Travel. Even me, it's_Elia.
What are these for?
These are we are decided to do black colors because the theme is black na white. So tuliongea na Marwa tukasema wacha tuweke black na white. So tushaweka hizi rods ndio tutaweka hizi curtains, na hiyo kazi tunamaliza sasa hivi. Hii tuliona jana kutoka Nairobi, mimi nimekuwa kwa 3 days tukadecide kuje. Sasa leo ndio tumeamua kuweka hii sound. So guys, stay tuned. We decided on white shears, some white heavy shears. Ndio mnaona ziko hapa. These are shears. As you can see, ziko na highlights. Once you put them on the windows, you'll see what so wacha sitaki zichafuke. Tuweke mahali vizuri. Cha nirudishe tu hapo. Lakini kujani
These ones are holders. Curtain holders. Elbow curtain holders.
kwa wale amwelewi single rod, this is the bracket for single rod. As you can see, it's very smooth.
Yes.
We have done here, it's very smooth. Then these are the end caps for sides.
Okay.
Then I think that's tuanze kazi, then we see how it goes. Na msisahau kuingia kusubscribe. This is Steven from Uptime Interiors, but pia mimi ni mwimbaji na pia mimi nafanya content, so just go pale kwa YouTube tafadhali, nipe tu just a like, subscribe hapo tu Kasyan Sound, tuendeleze hii maneno.
And guys, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Kim is Travel.
Steven Kim.
Twende pale YouTube kuzana.
YouTube subscribe. Nitakuwa mimi na uploadia vitu za interior, everything, any idea nitapata, nitakuwa nawaekea huko.
Hi guys, welcome back. As you can see, we've just done the installation of curtains. We've done a single curtain rod, a heavy duty curtain rod. This room we were doing a sample work. As you can see, we've done the installation already. We've done the shears, we've done the curtain rod. Just show them what we have done so far. We have also done the curtain holders, just in case someone wants to have a view of what is happening.
A clear view, that is a clear view.
And just
The outside.
this side. And also draw this way. This way, and then you have a clear view of Nyabohanse. So So now guys, this is what we are going to do for
The
this
whole
house,
house.
for the whole house.
But for the house, there's somewhere actually a few windows that will be using rails, not rods. Or that is the electric one, motorized
Yeah,
one.
but once we reach that room, we shall show you what will happen on that. So, and guys, please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Kenyan Sounds. I'm from Uptime Interiors. I'm also doing travel videos. I'm also doing some music there. So please guys, just go and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And
Okay, for me, I'm still working on the channel where I'll be explaining things, let's say like widely. I'll be touching interior content. So I'll be taking around. I'm still preparing the channel, but the name is Mogul Stephen Kim. Please stay in touch, subscribe.
And guys, before I forget, what we have done here is 100% gathers. So if you don't understand what it means by gathers in these folds. So here we've done 100%. But now for the whole house, the other rooms, we think it's better we increase the gathers so that at least we get a better, good
Results.
we will get a good result. Let me just say that. So, wacha tufunge hizi curtains na nini. So guys, I think that's it for today. Remember to go to my YouTube channel, Kenyan Sounds. Remember to also check out the materials on Facebook, on TikTok, and everywhere. So for these amazing jobs we do.
And also run much interior designers. Run much. Initially we are run much home and office decor, but now we are run much interior designers. So if someone tells you it's from run much and you haven't had me calling, just know it's a scam.
So guys, we shall share our links down on this video. So just go down to this video. You'll see our numbers there. You'll see our links to our respective Facebook pages and our TikTok accounts. But for now, let's say what
Number itakuwa below kwa bio tukapa.
So just show them a quick that's it guys. See you tomorrow for another episode at Marwa's place here at Nyabohanse. We shall keep you posted on everything we are doing for this house.
Yeah, because
see you guys.
No.
Wacha sasa tuende hapo.
Come guys, I'll show you what
kama
we'll be working
tutapata
on.
kitu.
As you can see, we have a lot of windows. And every window, just look around. So this is our next project. This is our
So
next
guys,
project.
here is what we are going to do the electric, the motorized curtains.
Or trucks.
Or trucks. So once if you are in this room, or that side, or this side, I'm a pallet chini, you can just use the remote and draw the curtains, this side and this side. At least we hope everything will go on well.
And we will show you many ways, several options of doing that we know.
So that's it guys. See you next time. We shall post everything we are doing in this home. So let's hope for the best.